In this video, I'm going to share how I make my lipstick last longer. Now, I've already put on my foundation and powder, which is Revlon Color Stay, so it is already designed to stay. And I don't wipe it off my lips. I just leave that as like a base for my lipstick. But this will also work if you don't have any makeup on or you just want to use lipstick and lip liner without even putting, the rest of your face on. So I start with my waterproof lip liner. I create a line. Around my natural lip line. And it drags a little bit because of the foundation and powder. And yes, I do apply plenty. And depending, sometimes I'll go in and I'll create another line, like farther inside. And that gives me a thicker line. And so after that, I will follow with my matte lipstick. Now this was a limited edition Mary Kay lipstick from a few seasons ago. I'm not even sure what shade it is. It just said pink. And so I'm just going to fill in. I use my wand from the Ultimate Lip Gloss because, as you see, I'm down to the almost last of the last. So I just fill in. And that stays for hours. And then if needed, I'll just add more after, I eat something, go to lunch or whatever, or if I'm talking a lot and lipstick seems to wear off. But with the matte lipstick, I usually never ever have to reapply. Like I said, unless I eat something, then sometimes I have to put on a little bit more, but nothing like you normally would with a lipstick that's not matte, that comes off. And so that's it.